It's good to have you back. My name is Chris, and you are watching Crypto Bros channel. In this channel, I bring you all the opportunities and possibility of you making free money on the crypto space. So if this is the type of videos that you like to see and watch, please consider subscribing because I will be bringing you a whole lot of this kind of videos that will teach you how you can make free money in the crypto space. So without wasting much of your time, we are going to discuss about Bybit launchpool today. There's a project going on right now in Bybit, so it is actually launched today for staking. So anybody who is interested can actually jump into this project, stake your Bybit token, and get reward for that same token that you staked for. So let's jump right. All right, so I'm going to open the Bybit because I've already installed and I'm registered. So if you do not have an account on Bybit, consider using my referral code. It will be right here in the comment in the description of this video. So I'm opening Bybit. Now the Bybit is open. So where do we locate the launch pool? So the easiest way to locate the launch pool is inside Launchpad. Another place you can find that is here on the Wi-Fi center. So everyone who joined the Launchpad project actually gained some token yesterday. So today is the time for launch pool. So if you want to join this launch pool for this token MV, if you want to join it, this is what you do. Click on try now. Click on try now. Now that is open, you can actually be able to stake your token. You know, the interesting thing here is the APY. APY simply means annual percentage yield. So this is what you are actually going to gain for committing any amount of token that you would like to commit. 100% of whatever you commit. So if you want to know how this percentage is being calculated, you can read that up under here. And just so you know, Bybit's Launchpad allows you to stake and earn tokens for free. The tokens that you stake can be unstaked at any time, so which means it is a flexible. As I was saying, right now we are going to commit our token. I have some Bybit token in my wallet, so I'm going to show you how you can actually commit your token and allow it to mine this new project for you for free. So I'm going to click on stake. That's where you're going to click. Let's see what happens when you click on stake. All right, so if I click on mass, it shows that I do not have any Bybit token to stake. And meanwhile, the minimum amount of token that you can stake to gain in this project is 50 Bybit token. So Bybit token is the native token of Bybit exchange, in case if you don't know. I'm telling you now. So now why it shows that I do not have any here is because my token is not in the Wi-Fi account. So I have to transfer my token to the Wi-Fi account in order to be able to commit and stake it right here. So how to do that? I need to click on transfer. You see transfer here. So I'm going to transfer my token from Spot Wallet to Bybit Wallet. So I'm clicking on transfer. So as you can see, I have available 168.847 bits. So this is the available Bybit token that I have that I can commit. So how to transfer to Bybit wallet is I have to change. I'm transferring from Spot Wallet to here. I'm going to change it to Bybit. So I click here and I choose Bybit account. So right now I can be able to click on mass, then I'll click on transfer. You can see transfer down here. So I click on transfer. Now as we are waiting for the token to be transferred, oh good, it has been transferred. Now if I click here, it will still show that I do not have any. So what I'm going to do is close here. I'm going to close this window first. I close it, then I will now click back on stake, so it will be able to show the token. So as you can see here, I have my token available, the available balance you can see right there. So what I'm going to do now is click on mass, and this staking project is going to last until 21st of the distribution time. Okay, it will be 21st of January. So it's just going to be staked for a few days. All right, and today's date is 19th. So I'm clicking on mass, and then I check on this terms and condition. Then I'll click on stake. So you can see here my staking is successful. That means right now I have been able to stake my 168 Bybit token to mine for the MV token. So that is it, and that is how you commit and stake your token for a new project in launchpool Bybit exchange. So that will be it for now. In case if you do not have a Bybit exchange account, kindly check in the subscription button, use my referral code to gain a lot of reward in this Bybit, and consider subscribing in my YouTube channel, because I'll be bringing a whole lot of videos like this that is good for your wallet. And if you would like to join my Telegram group, where you will meet some like-minded people who are also crypto enthusiasts, who are also here to make money, and they are bringing a whole lot of information that you can learn from. I'll be dropping the Telegram group also right here in the description button. So that will be all for now. Thank you for watching and remain blessed.